Hope there's nothing expensive behind me. Just leave it parked in gear just in case. We made it! You ready? Ready. Oh, that is rewarding, YouTube. Ready? Looks like it was done by a true professional. Oh, I should not have taken that off. Perfect too. That's it. I love me some dual shield flux core action, YouTube. 18 inches of weld in like 30 seconds. And if I do say so myself, it's a pretty decent looking weld. I don't actually just weld the D-ring straight onto the material. I put this block of material in here, and that works to more evenly distribute the forces pulling on the D-ring when I use this to like pull something out of a ditch or whatever. And yeah, it works to distribute force a little bit better. So we got the frame, gussets, base, and then I stuck the deck on here, and down here we actually have the lower level of the bumper. And what's really cool is now I believe that we should be able to clamp on this thing and work on the truck a little bit. So as opposed to those hamstring stretching footrests on the old bumper, now, oh yes, look at that, we have an actual proper deck. This thing is solid. Oh, it's still propped up by a jack, but one side of the truck moved a little bit. And it's really nice because now I have much better, easier access to everything down in here. Oh, so much more high speed now. Look at that angle. Yeah, this is gonna work. Alright, YouTube. So, getting this thing all nice and cleaned up. And this thing is on here. So, you know, we got this thing painted, we got this thing primed, then we got the finish on this thing, and I absolutely love the way it came out. I think it complements the truck extremely well. Y'all know I wanted to build something that was going to be simple. I mean, how over the top do you need something that goes on a dump truck, of course, and it was going to be sturdy because, of course, it's going on a dump truck. And so this is both, you know, the face, both the part of the face that's perpendicular to the ground and the sloped piece underneath it, that's all 3/8 thick material. I believe it's 3/8 by 4 flat stock. We got some really heavy duty angle iron running underneath this thing. We have huge gussets, 3/8 mounts attached to the frame with grade 8 bolts, and 40-something thousand pound D-rings hanging off the front of it. So this thing is going to be ridiculously sturdy. I really think it looks awesome. It's everything I hoped. You know, like I said, I think it fits the truck really well. Turned out great, and I really enjoyed this build, so I really hope you guys have enjoyed the videos. They were a blast to put together. Thanks for watching. If you do this, do it at your own risk. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.